Welcome to online classes student. Chapter 5 today topic is Cabinet of Ministers. Right. Before I start the chapter, I just want to relate a scene in front of you. Just suppose, as in your family, your father known as the head of the family, right? But your mother make decisions or policies. Policies like she take decisions, she make the everything list in your house. But but the last decision depend on your father's approval, right? So as the parliament is the form of house, just okay. So here's the parliament. As an example, I given as given of house, na house affairs. So this is the parliament, okay. Next, prime minister Shri Narendra Modi is our prime minister right now, okay, from 2014 to 2000 till 2020. Prime minister appointed as the head of government, right, or a head of cabinet of minister. We are going to talk about cabinet minister. Prime minister known as the head of cabinet ministers also, and the head of government, head of the parliament, okay. So once the government is formed, prime minister appoint to work different ministers. It's the work of the prime minister to to give the work to different ministers, right? Okay. Next, Minister of Home Affairs. One of the senior most officers in the Union Cabinet, the chief responsibility of the Home Minister to maintain India's internal security, and police force come under its judiciary, right? Yeah, jurisdiction. Okay. So, who is Home Affairs Minister? Shri Amit Shah ji. Next, Minister of Defense, Shri Rajnath Singh. The Ministry of Defense given to Defense Minister Shri Rajnath Kovind ji to maintain the national security and the Indian Armed Forces. Okay. Minister of External Affairs, which means foreign affairs, right? Who handle this? Dr. Subramaniam Jai Shankar. External affair means to deal with the foreign relations with the other country in a globe. Next, Minister of Finance, Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman, one of the prominent face in India. Finance Minister of ministry duties and function to prepare annual budgets or manage the government in a financial policies, right? Next, Minister of Roads and Transport of Highways, Shri Nitin Gadkari ji. So the Ministry of Road and Transport and Highways, the ministry has two wings: to manage the road wing and the transport wing, to develop roads and development of maintenance of national highways in the country. This work only goes to roadways, transport, highways ministry, right? So the head of the Ministry of Road and Transport and Highways, Shri Nitin Gadkari ji. Come to Minister of Railways, right? Shri Piyush Goyal ji. Responsible for country's rail transport. Head of the railways, Shri Piyush Goyal ji. Next, Minister of Science and Technology. Formulation of policies, plan related to the science and technology and innovation of our countries, right? Every policy which is related to technology, which is related to science, is handled by Dr. Harshvardhan. So this is the end of your video. So from these prominent faces, what we learn that these council of ministers collectively responsible towards our country. So that's why they called cabinet of ministers small form of main prominent and important faces to do work in our country by these heads of department. Right. Thank you.